So this is the Harbour City Shopping Centre. I think there has been just a bit more construction since the last time I showed you guys. So it's located on Howard Cooke Boulevard in Montego Bay, Jamaica. I'm going to see if I go upstairs Baywest, if I'll be able to see it a little bit better. Let's see. Short of that, I cannot show a video of just that. That's like a few seconds worth of footage. So we're gonna try Baywest upstairs and see if I can see it at a spot there. I had to get someone from one of the offices that face over to that side to film it for me. Unfortunately, there are columns in the way, but you can still see the construction that is taking place. So have a look at that. Then I decided to try Sagicor side to see if I can get someone to film for me from that side as well.
This is what it would look like.
This is Harmony Beach Park. This is the North Gully Bridge on Howard Cooke Boulevard. And then right beside it, we have the Harbour City Shopping Centre construction. So that's what's going on. You can see it.